title is Design and Construction of Central Control Unit. Exactly, this is the transmitting section and this is the receiver section. This transmitter section will be at the central unit, at the center of the village. Here you are going to have a transmitter section part, and this is the RFID reader is your input part, and next the output modules are your LCD and the voice module. So these are the three tags. The first tag is the respective motor of motor 1, which is at the field, and the second motor is at the second motor tag reflected at the receiver at the field, and the third motor is an unauthorized tag here. So when any respective tag is shown to the reader, the particular tag number is decoded to the controller, and the respective motor will be transmitted using Zigbee wireless transmission, using RF transmission. So this is your RF transceiver, and here you are going to have another RF transceiver at the receiver part. This is the input to the receiver section, and the respective motor gets on. So here, when the particular motor gets on, here you are going to have two particular buttons, one for on and one for offing. So the respective motor can be selected either to on or off from the transmitter section. So the first tag, when you shown the particular tag here, the tag number is displayed here. So here, either you on or off the respective button when you are going to press it, the particular motor gets on here. So the feedback message also announced at the transmitter section. So here you are going to have LED indicators, green, green. Indication is like motor particular thing is getting on, and the relay gets on here, the particular respective motor gets on. When you show the second tag, the second particular tag here. So when you press the second particular tag here, so second motor gets on. Indication second LED gets indicated. The feedback voice will be announced out. So here, the another feature of the main project is like suppose automatically the motor gets being switched off when the water level has been detected. So the water level detection is through soil moisture sensor. Here you are going to have two probes here. So the one particular probe when you are dipping in the sand, so when the two probes get short, indication that water has been decreased, the pump gets automatically off. And here to the second motor, when you short the so particular thing, the particular motor will be getting off. So red indication, red indication. So suppose if you are showing any invalid tag here, unauthorized tag, so that particular voice announcement will be given out. Suppose if you are giving any particular tag here, in within 2 to 3 milliseconds, you are going to press either on or off. Suppose so when the tag is being detected, so suppose if you are not pressing either on or off, when you are waiting, it will wait around 10 milliseconds, 5 seconds. Suppose till within that time, if the person is not pressing either on or off, then it gives you an announcement like time is out. Thank you.